puppet show with my friends. And my friends is gonna come to the puppet show, and one people is gonna come. Okay, it's heaven for me. Okay, first is my daughter is gonna come. First, my daughter. Hi. Okay, sweet. Now you're gonna stand over up to you, saying, tell you we're gonna come down. Come up. Hi guys, I'm girl is Marsha. Yep, so your name is Marsha, sweetie. I play sweetie, what you do? I play all the times, and I work and I work hard. She soon knows ABCDs, and she's kind of like growing up, right? Yeah. Whose loud is that? Who loud is that? That's loud. Oh, it's loud, Mom. Okay. It's better now? Yeah. Now she always like, look at her cheeks. Okay. Now can you go back to your play? Go and play, okay? Okay. Have fun. Okay. Now is my friend is coming now. No. Yep, my friend is coming now. Okay, come on up. Hi. Hi. Do you know what is my name, guys? You know her? You know, I don't know. Do you know what is her name? Huh? No? You're saying no. Now I think she's name is Bella. Do you know? She always works all the times because she is gonna make, but even she leaves with us, right? Yeah. Even she comes to my birthday all the time. She stay on my house. She don't go back to her house. Yep, I don't have a house. Even she don't have a house, right? Yeah. Okay, go back. Okay? Okay. Can you see my sweetie? My daughter. Okay, go. Now, okay guys. Now my sister is coming. She don't have a house, but I don't know. She actually lives with me. Come on up. Hi guys. Hi. Do you know what is her name? Yeah. What is her name? Anna. Yep. So my sister's name is Anna. She always knows you, right guys? Yeah. Hi guys. So she don't know some of your names. I just told you some of her names, right guys? Yes. Even if you wanted to like have fun, even I just don't carry her like a babe. No way. Now we're okay. Do you know guys, we live on a castle. It's a frozen palace castle. It's way out there. Even got a toy there from there, but that is not called my toy. That is called my daughter's toy. She put that on top of your house. Yeah, 1 down, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is the down one, the down. Even got the steps. Even all we got. We don't have any like lifts, something. We gotta always go up with 2 chairs. There's 1 chair here and 2 chairs here. That's how you do. My sister is gonna go that way. I'm gonna go this way. Or I will go that way or this way. My sister, I'm gonna go her. I'm gonna go that way and she's gonna go this way. I'm sending her. Ooh, that is loud.